In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a welcome guide automation in HoneyBook, Client Onboarding 2026. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-run workflow that welcomes new clients consistently and frees up your time. First, open your browser and head to honeybook.com. This is where everything starts. If you're already logged in, you'll land on your account automatically. If not, enter your credentials and sign in. Keep this part quick and straightforward, and if you're prompted for any security verification, complete that as well so you can access your workspace without interruptions. Once you're in, you'll arrive on your HoneyBook dashboard. Think of this as your command center. From here, you can see your projects, tasks, and quick links. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice the main navigation bar. This is your primary menu, and it's where you'll find all the tools you need for this setup. Click Automations in that left-hand menu. This section is where HoneyBook helps you streamline repetitive tasks. Inside Automations, look for the option to create a new automation and select Create Automation. This opens the template gallery, which is the fastest way to build reliable workflows without starting from scratch. In the gallery, find a template called Welcome Guide. If you have a lot of templates, use the search bar to locate it quickly. Click the Welcome Guide template to preview what's included. This template is designed to greet new clients, share expectations, and set the tone for a smooth onboarding experience. Next, click Use Automation. HoneyBook will take you into the automation editor. Here's where you review the details and make sure everything fits your process. Confirm the trigger that starts the automation, such as when a new project is created or a client is booked, and check any delays so messages sent at the right time. Open the email steps and verify the subject lines, body text, and any links or attachments mentioned in the copy. Adjust the tone to match your brand voice and double check that the welcome guide content refers to the correct services and timelines. Make sure the sender name and reply to address are accurate so clients know exactly who they're hearing from. When everything looks right, save your changes and publish the automation. Publishing turns it on so it can run automatically for future clients. That's it. Your welcome guide automation is ready. Now, every new client receives a clear, professional introduction without you having to send it manually.